Hello, welcome to the video series to our new SIMPATI software from weisstechnik. In this video, we want to show you why it's a good idea to change from your actual laboratory software in Microsoft environments to our new solution based on Linux hardware. Maybe you had this in the past that you have seen screenshots like this or events like this, restarting in 4 minutes or something like this. I got this message today. Chunk Group want to make a new start of my device, taking about 6 minutes. If you have this between the week, you can do something, but if you get this message at Friday evening or Saturday morning and you're not in your department, all your archives will be missing at Monday. So that's not so nice. Or you have a complicated Microsoft folder structure, something like your archives are below company, chamber, test, date, and then you have folders for final test or pre-test, and then the file is not there where you want to have it. So you have to use the Microsoft search, and if you don't find it, then you have to ask around in your department and ask your colleagues. With our new solution, we're working completely different. As I mentioned already, it's working on a Linux hardware device and it's working with database structures. And so we are using now tags. So you can add, for example, for every test run, your own tags. It's up to you which tags you take, and you can add as many tags you want. And then later on, if you go into the test history and at Monday morning, you want to look into your finished test runs, you just have to click on the right tag, and then you find all test runs which have this tag added. So that's a lot faster and easier than Microsoft folder structures. And even if you don't know the tag, you have still the possibilities to make start, date, and name based searches to your file structures. And if you want to export, then you have still the possibility to export your files to local folder structures. So that's the video for this time, and feel free to look into the other videos we have on our new website. Bye bye.